Welcome back to my channel, Driving with Sandals. This is my favorite sandal every time I went outside and do the driving, guys. Guys, good day everyone. So sa lahat ng mga followers ko dyan, sa mga viewers, sa subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagpalo ninyo kay yours truly, DrCON. So for all the episodes that we have, ginagawa ko po lahat ng yan ay para rin po sa inyo mga manonood ko. And at the same time, I am giving you, of course, the lesson learned, no? At saka yung mga things to ponder when we are driving barefoot, when we are driving wearing shoes or whatsoever. So, with that, no, I am so thankful also na may mga viewers tayo na na-encourage na mag-drive because sabi nila, ay ginagawa na nila akong kumbaga nagiging inspiration. So with that, thank you so much. So this time, I will be driving. I'm alone right now in the car, guys. Wala akong kasama, no? I have something to buy and something to get. So this time, I will be driving, wearing my sandal again, and then later on, we will do the driving again barefoot, guys. So with our blue and yellow nail polish, no? So I will let you see my nail polish in my feet. So ayan na guys, ang aking nail polish, okay, newly changed. Pinidicure ko po yan last time. So with this, we will be driving, wearing this sandal again, guys. So my horrible feet, pagod na yung paa ni yours truly, DrCON. So let's go na, guys. Later on, we will do driving barefoot now. So right now, guys, malakas ang ulan dito, but then we have to go. So I hope you will come with me again. This is your story, DrCON, and shout out to all my tawag dito, to all my subscribers, my followers. Thank you for liking the videos that I have recently uploaded. Kasama ko yung daughter ko. So camera shy kasi yung anak ko, and for those who are requesting me to do the video with her, so hindi pa siya marunong, guys. He's only 13 years old and hindi pa siya pwedeng mag-drive. So hopefully in the future, no, my daughter could drive our car because that is also my purpose why I am influencing her to be here in my car, no? So I hope this video man you will like it again. So sa mga new followers ko, thank you so much. And again, sa mga comments, so I am hoping that everybody will have the positive comments, no? Thank you. At least you are there, no, to request something na pwedeng mag-inspire sa mga babae dyan na mag-drive. Okay, so let's go na, guys. Okay, so let's go. Shout out sa mga pamangkin ko dyan sa Maynila, sila Bernadette, si Mario Jr., of course, Nicole, Diane, Franco, sila Chinky at Neil with their daughter, Jasmine, the pretty daughter, no? Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. And of course, kina Love, si Wendy, si King, tsaka yung maliit, no? I hope you are all fine. And sa mga siblings ko, shout out rin sa inyo. Stay safe, guys. Kaya natin ito. Lahat ng mga problema kakayanin natin as long as there is love, there is patience, etc. So, bibili tayo ng pangangailangan ni Mother Earth. What happened to my foot? So, shout out to my trainer before, si Sir Alamudin. I hope that you are okay right now, sir. So, sa mga gustong magka-idea kung paano mag-drive, later on, we will feature, no, ng isang driving school here in Bailan. So, watch out for that. Kung ano bang mga pangangailangan, no? Ano ang kinahanglan para mag-drive, okay? So, ayan. Grabe ko lang, guys. As in, lakas. Alam nyo guys, ang pag-vlog ko ay hindi lang para for the sake of my happiness, but also to influence others, no? Ng mga bagay-bagay na dapat, no? Kasi, you know, sometimes when we are afraid and there is somebody na nag-inspire sa atin, so nagkakaroon tayo ng lakas ng loob. Do you believe in that? Yes, of course. And sabi ko nga, I am so thankful also with my husband dahil maliban sa trainer ko, si husband din ang nag-follow up, no, na magkaroon ako ng car race, and at the same time, my brothers, no, of course the siblings that I have na they keep on encouraging me to drive. So that's why I was able to do this, no? Okay, so papahiga doon. Side muna tayo, nasira na naman yun. Sandal guys, pakailang vlog ko na ba ito, pangatlo yata. Napaka-comfortable isuot pag nag-drive tayo, kaya I am always wearing this. Sa mga taong I believe dyan, no? Kasi minsan as vlogger, there are times that you want to give up also. You want to stay silent and alone. But then kung naiisip mo kung paano man nabigyan ng entertainment yung mga tao na nanonood sa iyo, so you are motivated, no? Motivated ka na magpapatuloy. Especially I have friends na nagsasabi na if they are watching my videos, especially yung video namin ni Mamang, they keep on laughing and crying. So they are inspired daw. So maraming salamat, no? Kasi kahit paano, I have shown you the love or the bonding between mother and daughter. Same with my daughter and of course ako, no? So masarap pag-share ng love. Sometimes you wanted to give up, but then the Lord will give you, no, the courage and strength, good health para may pagtatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo para sa pamilya. So again, right now we are driving this one. It's not, no, kasi alam nyo sa mga baguhan sa channel ko kung bakit dito tayo ngayon sa pagdadrive, daming driving videos, kasi nga we started this channel telling stories, the real stories of people na nagpapadala ng stories sa akin, and then later on the challenge, no, somebody or some of my viewers told me, now why is it that instead of sharing the life of your friends or viewers, why not share your own life also, especially on the challenge side? So that's why this channel was formulated, no? Kasi nga, or sorry, the driving videos, no? Doon nagsimula kasi nga naalala ko yung pinaka-challenge sa akin nung time na I should start driving at age 48, no? So although sa iba it's okay lang, pero syempre especially when I am nervyosa, kumbaga number one nervyosa ako, so it's really a challenge in my part to do driving. So kahit nga ngayon I am so thankful na may nervous tayo, pero pagdating sa driving wala na, no? So I hope this wisdom and blessings ni God sa akin magtuloy-tuloy. Even na magiging senior na tayo, sana makapag-drive pa tayo. So we have to enjoy these years, no, nakakapag-drive tayo at age of this age right now. Kasi not all women are given a chance to drive. So I hope na may pagpapatuloy ko ito, and I could also encourage somebody or anybody there to do the driving. So wala akong pa-parking. Ano ba ito? Baka pwede dito. I can have it this here. Ano, ma'am? Ay! Thank you for watching, guys. Next is driving bare feet. God bless everyone.